A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivered from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
A house is so much more than walls and windows. It's where we build our lives and stories. Protect your home and greet your guests with Remobell W, the video doorbell with motion detection, HD video, and two-way talk.
You have the right house. I'll be right there.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
Remobell W records all activities, so you can watch them whenever you want.
I wonder what I missed.
Every little detail of your home matters. Keep your home secure by staying on top of all of the outside's little surprises. Remobell W, the ultimate video doorbell for your home.
Yeah, it's working. This is super cool.
Are you gonna help me clean up your toys?
Delivery.
Be right there.
Hello?
Am I gonna get it or are you gonna get it? I'll get it. I'll get it.
Hey, thank you.
Come on.
Hey, can I help you? Hey!
No, sorry, I'm not home. I'm coming.